Okay, good evening. It's Greg from Clearwater 124. This is track 5. I'm going to do a track walk and show you what I've done. It's pretty much done except for uh, 2 major items and a couple of small landscape things, but there's really not too much. All right, this is start finish. Down here into this turn. Uphill. Down the back straight. Slow decline here into this huge sweeper under the poster painting. Back around and under. Over here into a couple of S's that run under the back straight. Into a hairpin. Up and over. Another pretty nice sweeping turn. Up and over. And down to the start finish. It's longer than the other track. I wish there was an easy way to measure it. I don't want to go through the bother of putting it all in Softy-Bond and piece by piece. That's a pain in the ass. Also, the pit lane used to be back there in front of the back straight when it was on the level. It wasn't inclined. Now the entrance is over here on this inside sweeper. And it's raised up and over. And you re-enter right before the start finish. It's more than 90 feet again. I don't know how many more, but it's 6 or 7 feet longer than my last track was. This is my 5th edition and probably my last. This took me a long time. A lot of up and down on the table. I don't know that I'd bother to do it again. I think this is it. I'll run some laps either later tonight or tomorrow. Was a lot of work. Painted a lot of track. Probably get up and down the table 25 times. There were some afternoons where I needed a couple of ibuprofen and a nap. So, anyway, there it is. I hope you liked it, fellas. Like and subscribe. Thank you very much. See ya.